Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we've been looking for longs on the Aussie dollar. If you've been following along on my videos, we're on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. We got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. This is an extremely good example of what I look for on a daily basis. We got our Fib on this move up. We got one down, we got three up, we got one down, we got a Fibonacci bounce, we got an engulfing move up. That was a picture perfect entry to go long. And because the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend, and there's no sign of this uptrend being over, it was with the higher time frame trend. So I am definitely still looking for longs. I mean, I don't really think it's going to make another three-way pullback. It might end up drifting up to the top of this, and then maybe later on throughout the Asian session or something make another three-way pullback. But I am definitely going to continue to look for these one, two, three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend, at least until the daily time frame market flow turns down, which it definitely hasn't done so yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.